Today's a travel day. We're heading off to a new Airbnb near Barnstable tonight, but we're going to make a few stops on the way. And the first of those stops is Clifton Suspension Bridge, which we didn't get a chance to see yesterday. After that, we're heading off to Weston-Super-Mare. First, the bridge. Absolutely worth the totally scary walk across the bridge for the nice little coffee shop at the end, which I think Ruth always had in her plans. In fact, I think she had it on Google Maps. Well, I've never been particularly good with heights, but Ruth's handling this one better than I am. I'm not too keen on getting too close to the edge here. Never mind. So we made it to Burnham-on-Sea. Time for a bite to eat, I think. Sandwich is prepared. Well, sometimes the weirdest of things happened. There we were, peacefully sitting eating our dinner, and then this bloke came up to us and introduced himself as a bloke who fights for money. There's a traveller's camp just ahead, and I think he was trying to get a fight. He told us that he was earning maybe about 10 grand for a bare knuckle fight. So we slowly edged our way away from him, and we're heading back to the car now. made it to our new digs in Barnstaple. It's called Owley House. As you can see, they've got a hot tub, which is great. So we haven't used the GoPro tonight. Obviously, we don't want to get the new camera wet. We're going to have a glass of Prosecco. We seem to have finished our glasses of Prosecco. Cheers. With what little there is left there. And then we're going to grab a bite to eat and maybe more alcohol involved in that. And then we'll turn in for the night. So it's been a great day. We've seen a lot, done a lot, been over the moors and Exmoor, got lost several times. We saw ponies, real Exmoor ponies as well. And that's about it really. See you all tomorrow.